This morning in Legal Logic, we are talking lawsuits. Here to tell us more about class action lawsuits, Brian Kuna of Brian Kuna and Associates. Good morning, Brian.
Good morning, Will.
Hey, great to have you here today.
Good to see you again.
Look, a lot of times, if you're watching TV, you'll see these commercials come up.
Yes.
With if you were, you want to be part of a class action lawsuit. What is that?
Right. What they're really talking about aren't class action lawsuits. They're talking about what's called multi-district litigation. You've seen some of these cases like the Bard hernia cases.
Right, yeah,
and
those
so
are the ones that come out all the time.
Yeah. That really isn't a class action case. Although it's the same product, and although it's the same manufacturer, it isn't a class. It's called multi-district litigation. Okay. Which is different than a class action, okay? Although it's a multiple of people, the differences between the individuals are great. In other words, you might have all kinds of different damages in a multi-district litigation. A class action is a case where it all arises out of the same incident.
Right.
There's usually many, many people, but the damages are all the same, okay?
Okay.
Basically the same, okay?
So would it have been like when Volkswagen was having their problem? Is that...
Yeah, that would be a class action.
That's a class action, okay.
You got a bad bolt.
Right.
So everybody that has a Volkswagen has to have that bolt repaired. Okay? And there might be 50,000 people, okay? So they will file a class action, and then all the people in that has that Volkswagen go and get their car repaired and get that bolt repaired, okay?
Right.
It all arises out of the same incident, all arises out of the same kind of thing, same kind of problem, okay? And the damage is essentially the same, all right?
And are they worth it?
They are, depending on the case.
Okay.
All right? Some cases, for example, they might send you $1.25. Okay? But some cases, it's thousands and thousands of dollars. It depends on the individual case, okay? As you know, we filed a class action last week,
right?
Okay, in the Newport gas outage, gas crisis case, where we filed one for individuals. Why is that? Because all those individuals, those 7,100 people or so, they're all similarly situated, right? They all arose out of not having gas, no heat, and they were all displaced, or almost all of them were displaced, okay? And some had ruptured pipes. But basically, they're all in the same pan. They're all identical. That's a good vehicle for class action, okay?
Right.
But for example, there are individual cases where, for example, I think I mentioned the case of, again, arising out of the gas outage, where a wedding was disrupted. Right?
Yeah.
These poor people. That might be an individual case. We just filed that case alone. Why is that? Because their damages are so very different
than everybody else's.
You got it.
Right, than everybody else's.
Right.
Okay.
So it depends on the circumstances, okay? But what has to happen is once it's filed, it has to go before a judge. The judge then has to say, are these people all similarly situated? Do their injuries arise out of the same incident?
Okay.
And are the defendants the same? Okay?
Yep.
So that's the class action. The individual case has very individualized components.
Right.
And the multi-district litigation is a case where everything is centered in one jurisdiction. For example, the Bard cases. That's in Providence, Rhode Island.
Right.
But they're all individual cases.
All right,
Why is that? Because the damages are different.
Okay. Thanks so much, Brian. All great advice to keep in mind. If you are going to be part of any of these cases and you would like to learn more Legal Logic, you can head to Rhodeshow.com.